Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're seeing a login error in the Lloyds app, first double check that your username and password are entered correctly. Then make sure that there are no typing mistakes and that you're entering the correct memorable information when prompted. If you have entered incorrect details multiple times, your account may be temporarily blocked for security reasons. Then wait for a few minutes and try again, or use the password reset option to create a new password. After that, ensure that your phone's date and time are set to automatically. Go to settings and then go to general and then date and time, and make sure that the time is set to automatically, as incorrect settings can sometimes affect login. If login error continues, contact Lloyds customer support to verify and unlock your account, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.